Hello and welcome. Welcome again. In this video I will talk about the pencil tool. This is the icon of pencil tool or freehand drawing tool. You can click on it and draw your sketches. If you are an artist, this tool is very important for you. Very important. If you are beginner artist, also very important for you. This tool can be used with the drawing tablet, no problem. This tool have three modes. The first mode, create regular Bezier path. This is the most used mode, and this mode, create spiral path. The path seems more circular, as a circle or part of circle, and this create be a spline path. The nodes outside the path. The path more seems smooth, or also as a circle. You can also control the smooth. I will show you what I mean. Look at this line. This line seems not smooth like this line. If I increase the smooth and draw, as you can see, become the line smooth, as you can see. If I increase 100% smooth, as you can see, very smooth line. Look at the difference between all lines. I will delete these lines. I will draw by this mode. Why? It's straight because the smooth 100%. If I decrease the smooth, spiral path, as you can see. If I want to edit the path, like, as you can see, a part of circle. Let us delete these lines. Control A, delete, and delete. Selection tool to delete this line. Return to pencil tool. Let us see, create be a spline path. Smooth line, but I will show you something. If I want to modify nodes, as you can see, the nodes outside the line. The nodes outside the line. The line on this mode also very smooth, but not act as a part of circle. As you can see, Control A, delete. So pencil tool is an amazing tool for your drawing sketches. This mode is the most used mode. You can increase or decrease smooth and draw freely with Inkscape. Also, you can control the shape of your lines. None. Triangle in. I will show you what triangle in. As you can see, for drawing, for example, here, triangle out, Control A, delete, triangle out, like this. This is the shape of your line. I will show you also something. If I zoom in and press on node tool, you can control this. Select tool. Let us zoom out. As you can see, you can control the thickness of your lines also. Let us return to freehand tool. Triangle out, ellipse. As you can see, this is the shape of your line, very smooth line. These two choices are very important to draw your own shapes. I will show you something. If I draw a circle, this is a vector circle. If copy, now this circle in a clipboard, because I copy it. Then return to pencil tool, bend from clipboard. If I draw line, it bended from clipboard. As you can see, you can draw amazing things. If I draw spiral shape, copy, becomes in clipboard, then return to pencil tool and select bend from clipboard and draw something. It will draw from clipboard. It will draw the shape from clipboard. As you can see, amazing tool. Control A, then delete. This is almost everything about this tool. Almost everything. The last applied from these choices. You can switch between choices and draw freely. Thank you very much.